I'll be using a Mac, but as long as you know how to save a file in Windows, you should have no issues. Alright, so go ahead and open up your Word doc. Head over to File, and then click Save As. Now let's go ahead and choose a new file format that we want to save this document as. So currently it's at Word doc, so let's go ahead and search for PDF. And let's go ahead and change the name of this new file. And then click Export. And as you can see, here's our new PDF file and also our original Word doc. And if you weren't sure, you can see the file format here. And you can also right click if you're on Mac and go to Get Info. Go to the General section and then you go to Under Kind and you can see the file format here. It says Microsoft Word document and it's a .x file. And let's go ahead and do the same with the PDF version as well. We go to General, Kind, and it says PDF document. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you guys in the next one.